This is Virat Sharma in front of you, and today we will clear our second chapter of English literature, which is Nelson Mandela A Long Walk to Freedom, with important meanings and additional cautions. So let's start. 10th May dawned bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besides by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respect before the inauguration. 10 मई सूर्योदय का उज्जवल और स्पष्ट दिन था। पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं गणमान्य व्यक्तियों और विश्व नेताओं से सुखद रूप से घिरा हुआ था, जो उद्घाटन से पहले अपना सम्मान देने आ रहे थे। ये जो चैप्टर है ये एक नेल्सन मंडेला की ऑटोबायोग्राफी से लिया गया है, जिसका नाम है नेल्सन मंडेला अ लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम। और ये जो पैराग्राफ है इट इज़ सेड बाय ऑल्सो नेल्सन मंडेला। द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वुड बी द लार्जेस्ट गैदरिंग एवर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लीडर ऑन साउथ अफ्रीकन सॉइल। यह उद्घाटन दक्षिण अफ्रीकी धरती पर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय नेताओं की अब तक की सबसे बड़ी सभा होगी। The ceremony took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by Union Building in Pretoria. यह समारोह प्रिटोरिया में यूनियन बिल्डिंग द्वारा निर्मित सुंदर बलुआ पत्थर के एम्फीथिएटर में हुआ। For decades, this had been the seat of wild supremacy, and how it was the site of a rainbow gathering of difficult colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic, now racial गवर्नमेंट। दशकों तक यह श्वेत वर्चस्व का स्थान रहा था। अब यह दक्षिण अफ्रीका की पहली लोकतांत्रिक गैर नस्लीय सरकार की स्थापना के लिए विभिन्न रंगों और इस राष्ट्रों को इंद्रधनुषी जगावड़े का स्थान दिया। नाउ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वाज मेड बाय द यूज ऑफ मे। For the past few days I had been. In second sentence we will see there is a use of had been, and would leaders who were coming to pay their respect for the inauguration. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leader on South Africa's soil. This sentence is formed by the use of would be. The ceremony took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Building in Pretoria. This is a simple sentence with second form. For decades this had been the seat of wild supremacy. There is a use of had been, and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different color to nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. So this is a use of it, and a non-dual sentence is the use of was. Next paragraph is, once that lovely autumn day I was accompanied by my daughter Zenani. उससे प्यारे शब्द ऋतु के दिन मेरे साथ मेरी बेटी जैनानी भी थी। दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉन डुअल सेंटेंस, द यूज ऑफ वॉज। मंच पर सबसे पहले श्री डी क्लर्क ने दूसरे उपराष्ट्रपति के रूप में शपथ ली, एंड Mr. D. Clark was the vice president at the time. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president. तब थाबो मेवकी ने पहले उपराष्ट्रपति के रूप में शपथ ली, and Thabo Mbeki was the first vice president of South Africa. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the Constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and its people. To the assembled guests and the watching world I said, जब मेरी बारी आई, इट्स अ फ्रेज, तो मैंने संविधान का पालन करने और उसे बनाए रखने तथा गणतंत्र और उसके लोगों की भलाई के लिए खुद को समर्पित करने की प्रतिज्ञा की। ये बोलते हैं नेल्सन मंडेला। तब एकत्रित अतिथियों और देखने वाली दुनिया से मैंने कहा, उन्होंने कहा कि टुडे ऑल ऑफ अस डू बाय आवर प्रेजेंस हियर, आज हम सब अब यहाँ अपनी उपस्थिति से कन्फर ग्लोरी एंड होप टू न्यू बॉर्न लाइबर्टी आउट ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humanities will be proud. स्वतंत्रता को गौरव और आशा प्रदान करते हैं। एक असाधारण मानवीय आपदा के अनुभव से जो बहुत लंबे समय तक चली, एक ऐसे समाज का जन्म होना चाहिए जिनमें सारी मानवता शामिल हो। This is said by Nelson Mandela. We who were outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nation of the world on our own soil. हम जो कुछ ही समय पहले गैरकानूनी थे, आज हम अपनी धरती पर दुनिया के देशों की मेज़बानी करने का दुर्लभ विशेषाधिकार दिखा दिया गया है। We thank all of your distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is after a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. हमें अपने सभी प्रतिष्ठित अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मेहमानों को ध्यान देते हैं कि वे हमारे देश आए, हमारे देश के लोगों के साथ उस चीज़ पर कब्जा करने आए हैं जो आखिरकार न्याय, शांति और मानवीय गरिमा के लिए एक आम जीत है। Now these 3 paragraphs uses. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zinani. There is a use of was because it is a non-dual sentence with the second form. On the podium, Mr. D. Clark was first shown as a secondary deputy minister. This is also a non-dual sentence with the use of was. Then Thavo Mepki was shown in as first deputy president, also again a non-doer. When it was my turn, जब मेरी बारी आई, also non-doer with a phrase, no phrase, this is a non-doer sentence. I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and devote myself of the well-being of the republic and its being people. There is a use of being. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said is a past indefinite sentence. Today all of us do by our presence here confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Out of the experience of extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long, past indefinite sentence with the second form lasted, must be born a society of which all humanities will be proud. There are use of must be and will be. We who were outlaws not so long ago, non-dual sentence, have today been given the rare privilege to the host to the nation of the world and our own soil. This is the use of have been. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people. Country of what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignities. There we will see there is the use of there is a use of second form and having. Next paragraph is, we have at last achieved our practical emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. आखिरकार हमने अपनी राजनीति मुक्ति हासिल कर ली है। हम अपने सभी लोगों को गरीबी, अभाव, पीड़ा, लिंग और अन्य भेदभाव के निरंतर बंधन से मुक्त करने की प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं। Never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one of the another. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Let freedom reason. God bless Africa. अभी नहीं और फिर ऐसा अभी नहीं होगा कि ये खूबसूरत भूमि फिर से एक के द्वारा दूसरे पर अत्याचार का अनुभव करेगी। इतनी शानदार मानवीय उपलब्धि पर सूर्य कभी अस्त नहीं होगा। आज़ादी को राज करने दो, भगवान अफ्रीका को आशीर्वाद दे। गॉड ब्लेस फॉर अफ्रीका। A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in away as a spectacular array of South Africa jets, helicopter, troops cariscorded in perfect formation over the Union Africa. कुछ क्षण बाद हम सभी ने विस्मय से अपनी आंखें उठाईं जब साउथ अफ्रीका के जेट, हेलीकॉप्टर और अन्य वाहकों की एक शानदार श्रृंखला यूनियन बिल्डिंग के ऊपर एकदम सही संरचना में गर्जना कर रही थी। It was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of the military loyalty to democracy to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. यह न केवल सटीकता और सैन्य बल का प्रदर्शन था, बल्कि लोकतंत्र के प्रति सेना की वफादारी का प्रदर्शन था, एक नई सरकार के प्रति निष्ठा का प्रदर्शन जो स्वतंत्रता रूप से और निष्पक्ष रूप से चुनी गई थी। Only moment before the highest general of the South Africa Deccan Defence Force and Police, the chiefs bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. कुछ ही क्षण पहले अफ्रीका रक्षा बल और पुलिस के सर्वोच्च जनरलों के पिछले दिनों के रिबन और पदकों से सजी अपनी छाती मुझे सलाम कर और अपनी वफादारी की प्रतिज्ञा की। Now the uses of this page is we have completely phrased at last again achieved our political emancipation. Achieved is the second form of achieve, so this is a past indefinite sentence. We pledged ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. Here the use of second form pledged. This is also past indefinite sentence. Never, never and never shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience. There is a use of will, the operation of one of my another. The sun shall never set on us glory, a human achievement, but freedom resigned. God bless Africa. There is a use of shall. A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in as view of spectacular array of South Africa jets. Second form of lifted, past indefinite sentence. Troops carries rode in perfect formation over the Union Africa. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of a military loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been fairly and fairly elected. In first sentence, there is use of it and was, which is complete a non-dual sentence. In second sentence, there is a use of had been. In next paragraph, only moment before, phrase the highest general of the South Africa Deccan Defence Force and Police, the cheated bedecked with ribbons and medals from day gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. There are the 3 second forms: bedecked, saluted and pledged, also a past indefinite sentence. It was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before they would not have saluted but arrested me. Finally, a chevron of Impala jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue and gold of the new South African flag. इतने वर्ष पहले उन्होंने सलामी नहीं दी होगी, बल्कि मुझे गिरफ्तार कर लिया होगा। अंत में इम्फाला शेप जेट के एक सेवरॉन ने काले, लाल, हरे, नीले रंग और एक पैट आकार के स्पेक्टो, एक छोटा सा डिस्प्ले और नए साउथ अफ्रीका ध्वज का सोने जैसा कलर दिखाया। देयर इज अ यूज ऑफ was and would have saluted. Finally, a chevron of Impala jets left. Second from left, smoke trails of black, green. Yeah, complete paragraph. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two nations' anthems and the vision of white singing Nkosi Shield Africa and black singing Die Stam, the old anthem of the Republic. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem day once, despite they would soon know the words by heart. वह दिन मेरे लिए हमारे दो राष्ट्रगानों के बजने और गोरे द्वारा नेकोसी स्केलेल अफ्रीका गते हुए और अश्वेत द्वारा गणतंत्र का पूर्णागान एटिक डाई और गाते हुए देखे जाने का प्रतीक था। हालांकि उस दिन किसी भी समूह को उस गाने के बोल नहीं पता थे, जिससे वे एक बार तुच्छ समझते थे। वे जल्द ही इनकी बोल समझ जाएंगे। एंड द पैराग्राफ यूजेस इज द यूज ऑफ was in first sentence with second form completely non-dual sentence, and cold anthem autumn the day neither group knew. There is also second form knew, and then the use of would. On the day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. In the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer Wars and before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa patched up their difference and arrested a system of racial domination against the dark-skilled people of our own land. उद्घाटन के दिन मैं ऐतिहासिक बोध से अभिभूत का 20वीं सदी का पहले दशक में कड़वे एंग्लो बोर युद्ध के कुछ साल बाद और मेरे जन्म से पहले साउथ अफ्रीका का हो सका। काले लोग जो अपने मतभेदों के दर के लिए अंधेरे के खिलाफ वर्चस्व की एक प्रणाली बनाई अपनी ही भूमि के लोग थे। Next paragraph is the structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhumane society the world has ever known. Now, in the last decade of the 20th century and my own 8th decade as a man, the system had been outturned forever and replaced by one that recognized the rights and freedoms of all people regardless of the color of their skin. उन्होंने जो संरचना बनाई उससे दुनिया के अब तक ज्ञात सबसे कठोर, सबसे अमानवीय समाजों में से एक का आधार बनाया। अब 20वीं सदी के आखिरी दशक में और एक आदमी के रूप में मेरे 8वें दशक में वह प्रणाली इस प्रकार विचार कर रही है। Now next paragraph is that day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaired. I felt that day as I have known so many that other days that I was simply the son of all those African patriots who had gone before me. वह दिन मेरे हजारों लोगों के लिए अकल्पनीय बलिदानों से आया था। ऐसे लोग जिनकी पीड़ा और साहस को कभी गिना या चुकाया नहीं जा सकता था। मुझे उस दिन महसूस हुआ, जैसे कि मैंने कई अन्य दिनों में किया है, कि मैं बस उन अफ्रीकाओं देशभक्त का योग था। That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I had pain that I was not able to thank them and that they not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. Wrought is second form. जो मुझसे पहले गए थे वह लंबी और नीरस रेखा समाप्त हो गई और अब मेरे साथ फिर से शुरू हो रही है। मुझे दुख हुआ कि मैं उन्हें धन्यवाद नहीं दे सका और वे यह नहीं देख पाए कि उनके बलिदान का क्या परिणाम हुआ। The policies of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from the profound hurt. रंगभेद की नीति ने मेरे देश और मेरे लोगों पर एक गहरा और स्थायी घाव पैदा किया। हम सभी उस गहरी चोट से उभरने में यदि पीढ़ियां नहीं तो कई वर्ष बिता देंगे। The policy of apartheid created. This is the second form of created. This is a non-dual sentence. All of us will. It's a future sentence. Use of will. If not generation recovering from profound hurt. Use of if. But the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Thambos, that Walter Sisulu, the Chief Brutalis, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Sobikos of our time. लेकिन दशकों के उत्पीड़न और क्रूरता में एक और अनजाने में हुआ, और वह था कि इनमें हमारे समय के ओलिवर थैम्बोस, ब्लास्टर शिशुलस, चीफ लुथुलिस, यूसुफ दादूस, ब्रैम फिशर, रॉबर्ट सेवुकवेस को पैदा किया। मैन ऑफ सच एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी करेज, विजडम एंड generosity that like may never be known as people if perhaps it requires such depth of operation to create such heights of character। ऐसे असाधारण व्यक्ति, साहस, बुद्धि और उदारता की उनके जैसा फिर कभी पता ना चले। शायद चरित्र की ऐसी ऊंचाइयां पैदा करने के लिए उत्पीड़न के इतनी गहराइयों की आवश्यकता होती है। My country is rich in the minerals and gems, but lie beneath its soil. But I have always known that its greatest wealth is people, finer and truer than the purest diamond. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I recognize the meaning of courage। मेरे देश अपनी मिट्टी के नीचे मौजूद खनिजों और रत्नों में समृद्ध है, लेकिन मैं हमेशा से जानता हूँ कि इसकी सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति इसके लोग हैं, जो शुद्धतम हीरे से भी बेहतर और सच्चे हैं। संघर्ष के इन साथियों से ही मैंने साहस का अर्थ सीखा। Time and again, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. I have seen men stand up to attacks and turtle with showing a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it। मैंने बार बार पुरुषों और महिलाओं को एक विचार के लिए जोखिम उठाते और अपनी ज्ञान देते देखा है। मैंने देखा है कि लोग बिना रुके हमलों और यातना का सामना करते हैं और ऐसी ताकत दिखाते हैं जो कल्पना से परे है। मैंने सीखा कि साहस डर की उन उपस्थिति नहीं बल्कि उस पर विजय है। People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite। लोगों को नफ़रत करना सीखना चाहिए, और अगर वे नफ़रत करना सीख सकते हैं तो उन्हें प्यार करने का भी सिखाया जा सकता है, क्योंकि प्यार इसके विपरीत की तुलना में मानव हृदय में अधिक स्वाभाविक रूप से आता है। Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, I would see a glimmer or humanity in one of the guards, perhaps just a second, but it was enough to resecure me and keep me going। Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished। यहाँ तक कि जेल के सबसे कठिन समय में भी मुझे और मेरे साथियों हमारी सीमा को ढकेल दिया गया था। मुझे एक गार्ड में मानवता की झलक दिखाई देती थी। शायद एक सेकंड के लिए यह मुझसे आश्वस्त करने और मुझे आगे बढ़ाने के लिए पर्याप्त था। मनुष्य की अच्छाई एक लौ है जिसे छुपाया जा सकता है लेकिन कभी बुझाया नहीं जा सकता। नाउ द यूजेस, perhaps must, there is a use of must and use of can in second sentence। In third sentence there is use of can be, and in last, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite, there is use of as with present indefinite sentence। Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, this is a non-dual sentence with second form of post and verb। Perhaps just a second, but it was enough to rescue me, there is a use of it and was also a non-dual with me going। Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never be extinguished, again the non-dual sentence with the use of it, with the use of is, be and second form of extinguished। society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclination and ability. But in the country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of these obligations. समाज के प्रत्येक व्यक्ति अपनी रुचि और क्षमता के अनुसार उन दायित्वों को पूरा करने में सक्षम है, लेकिन एक देश जैसे साउथ अफ्रीका में मेरे जन्म और रंग के व्यक्ति के लिए उन दोनों दायित्वों को पूरा करना लगभग असंभव है. In South Africa, a man of color who attempted to line as a human being was punished and isolated. In South Africa, a man who treated or fulfilled his duty to the people was uneventually ripped from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart, titillated existence of scenery and rebellion. साउथ अफ्रीका में एक अश्वेत व्यक्ति जैसे मनुष्य के रूप में जीने का प्रयास किया, उसे दंडित किया गया और अलग थलग कर दिया गया. साउथ अफ्रीका में एक व्यक्ति जिसने अपने लोगों के प्रति अपने कर्तव्य को पूरा करने की कोशिश की, उसे अनिवार्य रूप से उसके परिवार, उसके घर से निकाल दिया गया और उसे अलग जीवन जीने के लिए मजबूर किया. गोपनीयता और विद्रोह का एक धुंधलक अस्तित्व था. Now came at the uses of this paragraph. First one is a non-dual sentence with the use of it. But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible. Again, use of it with non-dual. For a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of those obligations. In second paragraph, in South Africa, a man of color who attempted, it is a second form past indefinite sentence, to line as a human being was punished. Again, second form punished and isolated. This is a past indefinite sentence. A man who tried to fulfill his duty to the people was eventually ripped from his family and his home and forced to live a life apart, a twisted existence of security and rebellion. Next paragraph is, I did not in the beginning choose to please my people above my family, but in attempting to serve my people, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligation as a son, as a brother, as a father, as a husband. शुरुआत में मैंने पाया कि मुझे एक बेटे, एक भाई, एक पिता के रूप में अपने दायित्वों को पूरा करने से रोका गया. I was not born with a hunger to be free. I was born free in every way that I could know. Free to run in the fields near my mother's hut, free to swim in the clear stream, but around my villages, free to roast meals under the stars and ride the broad backs of slow-moving bulls. मैं आज़ाद होने की भूख के साथ पैदा नहीं हुआ था. मैं हर तरह से स्वतंत्र पैदा हुआ था जिसे मैं जान सकता था. अपनी माँ की झोपड़ी के पास खेतों में दौड़ने के लिए स्वतंत्र, मेरे गांव से बहती हुई साफ धारा के तैरने के लिए स्वतंत्र, तारों के नीचे मक्के भूनने के लिए और धीमी गति से चलने वाले बैलों की पीठ पर बैठने के लिए स्वतंत्र. As long as I obeyed my father and abided by the customs of my tribe, I was not troubled by the laws of man our God. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was a illusion, when I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, that I began hunger for it. जब तक मैं अपने पिता की आज्ञा का पालन करता रहा और अपने काबिलों की रीति रिवाज का पालन करता रहा, मुझे मनुष्य ईश्वर के नियमों की कोई परेशानी नहीं थी. यह तभी हुआ जब मैंने यह जानना शुरू किया कि मेरी लड़कपन की आज़ादी एक भ्रम था. जब मुझे एक युवा में रूप में पता चला कि मेरी आज़ादी मुझसे पहले ही छीन ली गई है, तभी मैं इसके लिए भूखा रहने लगा. Now come at the uses of this page. I was not born with a hunger. This is the use of was with a non-dual sentence. Again, I was born free. Again, non-dual sentence, free in every way that I could know. This is the use of could, free to run in the field near of my mother's hut, phrase, free to swim in the clear storm, the rain through my village, phrase, free to roast maddies and the stars and ride the boat's back of slow moving bulls. This is also a phrase. As long as I obeyed my father. This is a second form of obey, so this is a past indefinite sentence. I was not troubled. And this is a non-dual sentence with the use of was. It was only when I began to learn. Also second form of begin, so this is a past indefinite sentence. It was only when I began to learn my brother of freedom and illusion, when I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from other, I began hunger for it. There is a use of had been and second form of begin, so this is a past indefinite sentence. At first as a student I wanted freedom only for myself. The transitory freedom of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleaded and go where I choose later. As a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and knowledgeable freedom of achieving my potential, at earning my keep, of marrying and having a family. सबसे पहले एक क्षण के रूप में मैं आज़ादी चाहता था, केवल मेरे लिए रात में बाहर रहना, मुझे जो अच्छा लगे उसे पढ़ना और जहाँ तक चुना वहाँ जाने की अस्थायी स्वतंत्रता। बाद में जोहानिसबर्ग में एक युवा व्यक्ति के रूप में अपनी क्षमता हासिल करना, अपना भरण पोषण करना, शादी और अपने परिवार बढ़ाने की बुनियादी और सम्मानजनक स्वतंत्रता के लिए तरस गया। फ्रीडम नॉट टू ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड इन अ lawful life, but then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom become the greatest hunger for the freedom of my people. ताकि वह जिम में कोई बाधा ना आए, और लेकिन फिर भी मैंने धीरे धीरे देखा कि केवल मैं आज़ाद नहीं हूँ, बल्कि मेरे भाई बहन भी आज़ाद नहीं है। मैंने देखा कि ये सिर्फ मेरी स्वतंत्रता नहीं थी, जो कम हो गई थी, बल्कि उन सभी की स्वतंत्रता भी कम हो गई थी जो मेरे जैसे दिखते हैं। तभी मैं अफ्रीका नेशनल कांग्रेस में शामिल हुआ और तभी मेरी अपनी आज़ादी की सबसे बड़ी भूख बन गई। There is the use of be with second form of obstruct, but then I slowly that not only was I not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. There is a use of were non-dual sentence. I saw that second form saw. It was not just any freedom for curtained, but non-dual sentence with the use of was and second form of curtained. But the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. There is the second form of do and look. So this is a past indefinite sentence. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and then when the hunger for my own freedom became the greatest hunger for the freedom of my people. There is a use of second form join. Again the second form of became. It was my desire for the freedom of my people to live life with dignity and self-respect that animated my life, that transformed a frightened young man into a bold me, that drove me law-abiding attorney to become a criminal, that turned a family-losing husband into a man without home, that forced a life-losing man to live like a monk. यह मेरे लोगों की गरिमा और आत्मसम्मान के साथ अपना जीवन जीने की स्वतंत्रता की इच्छा बन गई थी, जिसने एक डरे हुए युवक को एक साहसी व्यक्ति में बदल दिया था, जिससे एक कानून के पालन करने वाले वकील को अपराधी बना दिया, एक परिवार प्रेमी पति बिना घर वाले व्यक्ति में बदल गया जिसने एक जीवन ऐसी व्यक्ति को एक साधु की तरह रहने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया। I am no more virtuous on or self-sacrificing than the next man, but I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedom I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. Free is indivisible chains on all of them. The chains of all my people were the chains on me. लेकिन मैं आदमी में एक गुणी या आत्मा बलिदान करने वाला नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैंने पाया कि मैं उस गरीब और सीमित स्वतंत्रता का आनंद भी नहीं ले सकता जिसकी मुझे अनुमति दी, जबकि मुझे पता था कि मेरे लोग स्वतंत्र नहीं हैं। स्वतंत्रता अविभाज्य है। मेरी प्रजा में जो जंजीरें थीं वो मुझ पर ही जंजीरें थीं। I knew that oppressed must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. Take away another. Man's freedom is prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness. I am not truly feel I am taking away someone else's freedom just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. मैं जानता था कि उत्पीड़क को भी उत्पीड़ितों की तरह ही निश्चित रूप से मुक्त किया जाना चाहिए। जो मनुष्य दूसरे मनुष्य की स्वतंत्रता छीन लेता है वह घृणा का कैदी है। वह पूर्वग्रह और संकीर्ण मानसिकता की सलाखों के पीछे बंद है। यदि मैं किसी और की स्वतंत्रता छीन रहा हूँ तो मैं वास्तव में स्वतंत्र नहीं हूँ। ठीक वैसे ही जैसे मेरी स्वतंत्रता मुझसे छीन ली जाती है तो मैं स्वतंत्र नहीं होता। The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. उत्पीड़कों से समान रूप से उनकी मानवता छीन ली जाती है। Now come on the uses. In first sentence we will see there is a second form of no new, so this is a past indefinite sentence, and the use of must be. Man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. It is a non-dual sentence with the use of is. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness. There is again the use of is and second form locked, so it is also a non-dual sentence. I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. The last sentence, I am not free when my freedom is taken from, this is a non-dual sentence with the use of am and taken second form. But before the sentence, I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom just as surely, this is a present continuous sentence with the use of am and ing in take verb. The last sentence, the oppressed and the oppressor like are robbed of their humanity. उत्पीड़क और उत्पीड़कों को समान रूप से उनकी मानवता छीन ली जाती है. This is a second form sentence of robbed, so this is a non-dual sentence. Now I will write the important meanings and the synonyms of this chapter, which may help you to learn the chapter easily. These are some following meanings which will help you to explain your chapter, which is pleasantly, besides, by, shown, confer, glory, anticipation, away, spectacular, array, overwhelmed, and past. So these are some more important meanings. I given you 20 meanings which may help you to explain the chapter easily. So regardless, chevron, repaired, appetite, brutality, law-abiding, prisoner, narrow-mindedness, and transitory. These are the following meanings. Now I will give you some question which is also important according to the chapter. The following questions are first short answers. What does Nelson Mandela thank the international leaders for in his speech? Second one is describe the scene of the inauguration ceremony. Third one is what ideals did Mandela set out for South Africa in his speech? Fourth one is what is the significance of 10th May 1994 for South Africa? Fifth one is how did apartheid affect South Africa? Sixth one is what twin obligation does Mandela mention? Seventh is why is courage not the absence of fear according to Mandela? Eighth is what did Mandela learn about hurt and love? Ninth one is describe Mandela's view of his country's past. Tenth is what does Mandela say about the role of freedom in a person's life? Now the long answer is describe the significance of the inauguration ceremony as mentioned by Nelson Mandela. Second is discuss the meaning of courage according to Nelson Mandela. What message does Mandela convey through his autobiography Long Walk to Freedom? Fourth is how did Mandela's understanding of freedom involve with age? And fifth is describe the twin obligation Mandela mentioned on his struggle to fulfill them. Sixth is explaining the challenges Mandela faced during the anti-apartheid movement. Seventh is how does Mandela describe the journey from a segregated society of a democratic one. Eighth is what is the role of leader and common citizen in speaking a free society according to Nelson Mandela. Ninth is what emotion does Mandela express on becoming the first black president of South Africa? 10th is how does the chapter Long Walk the Freedom inspire readers about the value of the freedom and sacrifice? These are some questions which can also form by the chapter. Now I'll write some synonyms, antonyms, majorly the synonyms of this chapter. They are about 6 or 7. So let's. So these are the following antonyms which may come in your exam. There is some more antonyms, synonyms which is also given besides by the pros in the chapter, but these are some important synonyms which you can learn. So this is the explanation of second chapter, question answers, meanings, synonyms, which may help you to prepare for your exam. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.